Do you understand English when you watch videos or read messages, but when it's time to speak, the words just don't come out? You start translating everything in your head, you feel shy, and your confidence disappears. I know exactly how that feels. The good news? It's not about learning more words. It's about smart daily practice. In this video, Bella and I are giving you a simple, fun 30-day English speaking challenge that will help you speak more naturally and feel confident.
Yes, Will. After these 30 days, you'll stop translating so much, you'll speak without freezing, and you'll actually enjoy using English in real life. The best part? You only need 10 to 15 minutes every day. No boring grammar lessons, just real speaking practice. Ready to start?
Welcome to English Stories channel, everyone. If you're new here, we make simple, practical English videos to help you speak better every day. Let's jump right in.
Okay, first, let's listen to a short, natural conversation about daily life. This is something you can practice right away.
Hi, Bella. How's the weather today?
It's really sunny and warm, perfect for a walk after school. What about you?
I'm good. I usually wake up early, have breakfast, and then study English for 15 minutes. Today I learned some new words about hobbies.
That's great. My hobby is listening to music. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and playing football with friends. It helps me relax.
See how simple and natural that sounds? Now, pause the video for a second and say this dialogue out loud with me. Try to copy our speed and pronunciation. Ready? Go.
Great job if you tried it. Let's talk about the useful parts. How's the weather today, Gamor, is a friendly way to start talking. It's really sunny and warm describes the weather easily. And what do you like to do in your free time helps you learn about someone's hobbies.
Exactly. Words like usually show habits and enjoy. Plus, verbing is perfect for talking about things you like. This is useful because these sentences appear in real conversations every day, at school, with friends, or even online.
Now, the main part, our 30-day speaking challenge. We divided it into 6 easy 5-day sections. Each section solves one big speaking problem and takes only 10 to 15 minutes a day. You can do it at home, in front of the mirror, or while walking. The key is to speak out loud every single day.
Let's start with days 1 to 5. Build confidence with mirror speaking. Many learners feel nervous and quiet when they speak English. This section fixes that. Every day, stand in front of a mirror, smile, and talk about your daily routine for 5 minutes. Say things like, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. Then I go to school.
Pause the video now and try it for 30 seconds. Speak slowly and clearly. Look at yourself and say, today is a good day to practice English. Feel that confidence growing? That's the point. Record yourself on your phone if you can and listen back. You'll see how much better you sound each day.
Days 6 to 10. Improve pronunciation with shadowing. The problem here is unclear sounds or speaking too fast or too slow. Find a short English video or podcast, maybe one from our channel, and listen to one sentence. Then pause and repeat exactly the same way, copying the rhythm and intonation. Do this for 10 minutes.
For example, shadow this sentence with me right now. I want to speak English fluently and confidently. Say it after me. Great. Shadowing trains your mouth and ears together. By day 10, your pronunciation will feel much more natural.
Days 11 to 15. Use vocabulary actively and stop translating in your head. A big problem is thinking in your own language first, then translating. To fix this, learn 5 new word or phrases each day, but don't just memorize. Use them immediately in simple sentences about your life.
Today's example words: relax, hobby, usually, enjoy, and perfect. Make sentences like, I usually relax by listening to music. It's my favorite hobby. Pause the video and create 2 sentences with these words out loud. Don't translate. Just think and speak in English. This trains your brain to think directly in English.
Days 16 to 20. Real conversation practice. Now, it's time to speak with someone or practice alone. Use the short dialogue we showed earlier, but change it to your real life. Talk about your own weather, school, or food. If you have a friend or family member learning English, practice together. If not, talk to yourself or record a short conversation.
Try this now. Ask and answer these questions out loud. What's your favorite food? I like rice and chicken because it's delicious and easy to make. Your turn. Go.
Days 21 to 25. Speaking longer with storytelling. Many people can say one sentence but struggle to speak for more than 30 seconds. This section builds that skill. Every day, tell a short story about your day or a memory. Start with, yesterday I went to the market, and speak for 1 full minute without stopping.
Don't worry if it's not perfect. The goal is to keep talking. Pause here and tell a 30-second story about what you did this morning. Use connecting words like then, after that, and because. You'll be surprised how much longer you can speak by the end of this week.
Days 26 to 30. Express opinions and speak with confidence. The final step is sharing what you think. Many learners stay quiet because they're afraid of mistakes. Practice saying your opinion about simple topics like food, weather, school, or movies. Use phrases like, I think, in my opinion, I like it because.
For example, I think learning English is important because it opens many doors. In my opinion, daily practice is the best way. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and give your opinion about this challenge. Speak for at least 45 seconds. Be brave.
Here's a quick summary of the whole plan. Days 1 to 5, mirror practice for confidence. Days 6 to 10, shadowing for better pronunciation. Days 11 to 15, active vocabulary to stop translating. Days 16 to 20, real conversations. Days 21 to 25, storytelling for longer speaking. Days 26 to 30, expressing opinions. And we've designed a special chart of the things that includes in the 30-day challenge specifically for English Stories channel members. You can take a screenshot of it if you want and check the challenges anytime you need it.
If you follow this challenge, in 30 days you will speak with much more confidence, translate less in your head, and actually enjoy English conversations. Small daily practice really works.
So, which part of the challenge will you try first? Days 1 to 5 with the mirror or maybe the shadowing? Tell us in the comments below. We read every single one and love replying.
If this video helped you and you want more simple speaking practice, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We upload new videos every week.
Thank you so much for watching. You can do this. Start your 30-day challenge today and watch how your speaking improves. See you in the next video. Bye.
If this video helped you and you want more simple speaking practice, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We upload new videos every week.